Hello everyone and welcome to the Cozy Corner, and today I'm going to share some study moments in my daily life. So first of all, as you can see, my table is such a mess, so I'm going to clean it real quick. So the table is all clear. So now I'm going to start my works by completing some notes. Actually, as I was not well in past few days, I had some school notes to be completed.
Last time we talked, you had nothing to say. You chose to walk.
So I started to write the notes with the science note. It's one of my favorite subjects.
But babe, with me, you closed the door on everything we could have been. Don't go thinking we could be friends. No, you can't bring us back from the dead. 'Cause when you know, you know. And when you don't, when it ends, it ends. When it ends, it ends. I really
Oh damn, so the science note is completed, but unfortunately I have 3 more subjects left. Now it's time for my online class.
Do you hear that? My sanity about to break while everyone I know's out. On a trip, on a boat, on a lake. I'm tired of feeling all FOMO, babe. I don't even care if we stay home. Put our to-do list on ice. Crank the AC to 79 and make a little island right here. And there ain't a palm tree in sight, but there's not a cloud in your blue eyes. If we need a drink, I'll be the bartender. I got a fifth of Patron and
So the class has ended around 9 pm and I think it's time to say goodbye. Remember to like and subscribe my channel if you like this video, and let's meet again with another study vlog. And good luck on your dreams. Bye bye.